So in this video, we're looking at GBPJPY and what we have ahead of us in this very currency pair in the coming trading sessions. There is an amazing opportunity in this very currency pair, and that is what I'll be sharing with you in this very video if you can watch this video to the end. So this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify forex trading and help forex traders make money from the forex market. This is the bottom of an ascending channel, so it was connecting these lows, which is showing an upward trend. So we got these higher lows being connected, and then we saw the price lose that channel bottom here, or this rising trend line. We saw the price lose it at this point. Losing it at this point, price moved down here, but later we saw a rally that reclaimed that channel bottom, and price has been trading above it since that time. So this became a fake out to this very channel, also to this very consolidation that we had here, which formed the descending channel. We also saw price lose the channel bottom at this point, but reclaimed it at this area. However, since the reclaim, there has not been a retest of it. For this, when we reclaimed it, we saw a retest right here, but for this descending channel, we didn't see the retest of this very channel bottom. However, we know that this became a fake out both to this very channel and to this one. So a fake out in one direction should lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. So for this descending channel, we've seen a completion of the symmetry. Price has moved to the top of the channel to complete the symmetry. So this is concluded already. However, we still have this other channel that has been reclaimed. We still have a massive opportunity to this end, because this downside fake out should lead us to an extended move to the top of the channel. So as long as price remains above this very channel bottom, we should be looking forward to price moving to this high, which is around 204.50 area. So that is where price should be targeting, all things being equal. However, if in any case we see price drop below this very confluence of supports here, then price will target these lows to fill this imbalance I told us of right here, and to retest the bottom of this very channel. So in that case, we may not get an extended move to the upside to complete the symmetry of this ascending channel. So this area is what would matter for this currency pair in the coming days or even weeks. All we need to do is to follow what the market does, not to fight the market. I'm waiting to see how price behaves over here. So if this has added value to you, I want you to hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.